We'll guide you through how to ask effective questions on ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, you'll see the chat interface where you can start typing your questions. To craft an effective question, think about what you really want to know and be as specific as possible. Instead of asking a vague question like, tell me about history, narrow it down to something like, can you explain the causes of the American Civil War? This helps the AI to give you a focused and detailed response. Use clear and concise language, and if you're asking about a process or steps, make sure to specify what aspect you're interested in. For example, instead of saying, how do I cook pasta, you might ask, what are the steps for making the perfect al dente pasta? If you need information on a particular topic, it's useful to provide context. For example, if you're asking about technology, mention what device you're using or the software version for more tailored responses. Also, try to ask one question at a time. This allows the AI to process each inquiry thoroughly and provide accurate answers. If you have follow-up questions, feel free to ask them one by one to keep the conversation clear and organized. Remember, the more context you provide, the better the AI can assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.